Once again, welcome to all of you. Children, today I am going to explain line of symmetry in alphabets and numbers. We all know what is a line of symmetry. Line of symmetry is a line that divides an image or a shape or an object into two identical halves, and both the halves are mirror image of each other. So here children, you can see we have different digits. Look here children, first here look at 0. So children, here in this 0 we have, this one is your vertical line of symmetry, okay, vertical line of symmetry, and this line is your horizontal line of symmetry. So 0 has two line of symmetry. Okay, now here you can see second digit is 1, it has no line of symmetry. 2, again it has no line of symmetry. This digit 3, it has one line of symmetry, and this line of symmetry is your horizontal line of symmetry. Okay, so here I am writing one line of symmetry. Next is your 4, it has no line of symmetry. Next is your 5, no line of symmetry. 6, no line of symmetry. Again here no line of symmetry. Now children, look here, here we have 8. Okay, so it has if you will write 8 in this way, means both the circles will be same, then you can divide it in this way also and in this way also. So here you can say it has two line of symmetry, but here if you will see this 8, this bottom circle is greater than this upper one circle, so here we will be able to draw only vertical line of symmetry. Okay, so here what you will say, that it has one line of symmetry. Okay, now in this digit 9, no line of symmetry. So in this way you all have to write line of symmetry in numbers. Okay, moving to the next page. Now children, here you can see line of symmetry in letters. You can see here letter A has only one line of symmetry, because if you will cut letter A horizontally means if you will cut it in this way, both the halves would not be identical. So this is not your line of symmetry. Okay, so here I am going to show you line of symmetry in different alphabets. So you can see here in letter A we have only one line of symmetry, that is vertical. In letter B, C, D, E, in all these letters we have only one line of symmetry, and that is horizontal line of symmetry. In F, G, no line of symmetry. In letter H and I, you can see two line of symmetry, and in this way you can see here in K one line of symmetry, M one line of symmetry, O two line of symmetry, and here you can see T only one, U one, V one, W one, and X two, and Y one, and that is vertical. Okay, so in this way you all have to draw the line of symmetry in the letters. Moving to the next page. Now children, it's your turn. You have to tell how many line of symmetry in letter J. Let's check the answer. Yes, you all are correct. No line of symmetry in letter J, because if you will cut it in this way, you will not be getting two identical half. This half is not equal to this half. Okay, so here you will see no line of symmetry in letter J. With this we come to an end. Thank you. Have a nice day.